Welcome to the French Drain Man channel. I'm Robert Sherwood, and I'm here to talk about what's coming up in 2020. We're going to be doing so many sump pump system installs. We can now show you everything. I'm looking really forward to that. I think it's going to change how people look at some of the jobs out there. Where normally it would have took you 200-300 feet of French drain and discharge line, and now you can just simply drop in a sump pump system and maybe only have a 40-foot discharge. It's going to be a lot easier install for the homeowner, and I cannot wait to show you how to dry up your yard or land, farm, whatever it may be. Also, we have some new equipment. We're going to show you a different way to trench. It's gonna be cool. You guys are gonna love it. It's big, bad, and mean, and we're gonna have a lot of fun. So, with all that being said, looking forward to 2020. Until the next video.